guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing well, Gracie's boyfriend is going to be doing my makeup, and my husband is going to be doing Gracie's makeup. So we already have our bases on, like our foundation, concealer, powder. I put some bronzer and blush on. I don't know what all Gracie has on, but it doesn't really matter. She at least has foundation and concealer on, and I know a little bit of powder. So we're just gonna get into it, okay?
So, Gracie.
Yes, Chandler.
Has a boy ever done your makeup?
No, I can tell you're the first boy to do my makeup.
I need... Wait a minute, she may have it.
What is this one?
I
this
need
is, do you need this one?
Yeah. I need the brown from... Yeah, let me choose that one. Okay. I need a brow pen. So, do you have one of those in here? Or do you have a brow pen?
You want to see my brow pen?
That's a look.
You want to see my brow pen?
She gets one.
Where'd it go? You are probably going to cackle if it's even in here. Oh my god, I just did my... Oh, here it is.
Oh, is it a baby?
I sharpened it so much. Sarah gave it to me. She was like, here, you can have this. Look, the top almost doesn't even fit on it anymore. It's fine. We're fine. It's fine.
I'm kind of nervous.
Oh my god. Wow.
Like, tell me if I'm hurting.
Yes, Chandler. Oh my god, you're hurting my face.
Okay. I have to figure out how I'm gonna lie.
Hold my face.
Oh my god.
Hold on. I'll put my hair up.
I feel like Stone's gonna do so much better than me.
Don't be confident. Oh my god, you are not James Charles. My hair looks a hot mess. I know, it's fine.
Let's see. I don't know how to start.
Just start drawing random lines. I love how Sarah's eating like a 3/4 of a plate of broccoli.
She was?
Yeah, some tater tots, some rice.
Oh, I thought that was chicken.
Chicken and broccoli. Her stuff, babe. I guess you heard of that. But she put my things back in here. That way we don't get them confused.
I feel so bougie. I want to look at this. Like, is Stone making faces yet?
Yes.
Yeah. You don't.
Yeah, he's going.
You don't want to look at this. This is not wet.
Yeah.
You don't. Tell me if I'm hitting your face too hard.
Oh my god. No. So when Sarah was doing it, she was like, it's like, Jesus.
This is okay about the brow. It's like, there's a lot of pigment.
Oh my god, I want to see this so bad.
Less product is more.
Less is more.
Okay. She should have told me that before we started, because I used like a whole bottle of concealer on this.
You knew that.
Like just on the brow.
Oh my god.
Okay. I'm gonna have to make her nose really little.
Make it as little as you want.
That's the video ever.
He's so like concentrated.
What are you?
I'm making her nose little. That's what they do.
I think you need to watch more Jeffree Star.
That's what they do. That's what they do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep going. Come on, Come on,
That's what they do. Like, I'm a beauty guru.
Oh
But not to move, I'm making art. Back in with the concealer. Let's make this nose really little. Like,
Pencil.
you gotta make the
The line in the middle.
you gotta make the worm go through the mud. Yeah. Sarah, does her nose look good?
The worm.
You gotta make the worm go through the mud. Oh God.
I hope not.
We're gonna make it turn up on that.
Yeah, devil mud.
Oh my God.
Yep.
Is that right?
Oh my God.
No.
I like this.
Good.
It's abstract. I like this.
Definitely abstract.
What's okay? Which number is this? This is 35. Oh, it's brown. It's not just brown. That's brown.
No judge.
Here's my broccoli.
Health. Hi guys, from a message from your sponsor. Eat health. Eat healthy.
Eat help.
Okay, we're about to. I would like to thank God made me perfect. You know, like Lady Gaga says, God makes no mistake.
Health.
This is part 2. Let me see. Close your eyes. Just keep them closed. Because I have to match this color because.
I just laughed and my back popped.
This is like a whole bruise.
Oh dear. I'm just laughing because David turned around and looked out the window and went, oh dear. What are you doing? So laughing at.
Maybe.
Can you see any of this? Can you see that? Oh.
Well, really go into
Fuck
it then.
up.
We're gonna finish the eye look off camera.
Are you doing lashes?
Yeah, I'm gonna do mine.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, hi guys, we're back. Chandler finished the eyes and the lips.
At least it matches.
I finished.
Wow.
Do we have to set it?
Oh, yeah. This is the completed look.
My work of art. And now it's gonna be Sarah and Stone's turn, while Stone does my wife.
Okay, guys, so this is Stone.
Hey guys.
He's going to do my makeup.
Try to at least. I'm getting a brush and packing on some
Just hold
powder.
it up and show the...
Some eyeshadow.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the lightest shade right here to lay down as a base. And of course that decides to be a shimmer. Great. Okay, I'm going in with a little bit darker. Hopefully this will be a matte shade this time.
Oh my god, you did not go under the shimmer.
I thought it was a matte.
Oh,
Yeah, I didn't tell him. I saw him do it, but I didn't.
There you go.
He ain't gotta tap it. But... That's
Okay, I need to change brushes, don't I? Okay.
Do what you want. And you can use the
No,
same
you
brush
should.
for 2, 3, 4 different colors.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this dark burgundy red color.
It's pigmented, just letting you know.
Perfect.
Makeup is however you want to do it.
Okay, good.
That's
For
not,
all
how,
the haters out there.
that's not how he wanted to do it. So you can
No, it's not, but it's okay. I gotta do this other hand. This is gonna be bad. Nope, right hand. I'm gonna go in with some concealer to cut the crease. I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. So now I'm gonna go in with this shimmery bronzy color, and I'm gonna use that on the cut crease.
Sarah, do you want a strawberry biscuit?
We're gonna reapply, and then I know what I did wrong.
You want anything from there?
There we go. So now I'm gonna go in with like a shimmery gold color for the inner corners. Hopefully this will turn out like I want.
Play Careless Whisper. Here we go.
It turned into Valentine's Day.
There we go. That's what I was trying to do. That entire time.
I think it was this color. And we're going to kind of smoke out the under eye a little bit.
And this is where the video fails.
Where's your lipstick?
Y'all, look at all this lipstick. I was like, this is just like 1/8 of my lipstick, and he was like,
What?
got a lot of color pop and stuff in here.
That is a small little lipstick.
I know.
I don't think I'm good at applying lipstick, but we're just going to try it.
He looked at me and went, okay.
Why is it not like easy to...
Here.
We finished.
Yes.
I got your...
You don't want him to get... So, we're finna do eyeliner and mascara.
Hey guys, we're back. I'm just going to finish up with some contour. We're going with this Create Your Own Morphe palette.
Actually, it's the Over Highlight and Rodeo Drive, but he didn't know that, so.
I think we're done.
But I bet you don't look like Mona Lisa.
Okay.
Don't put a lot. That felt good. I love setting spray. Alright, so we're done. So me and Gracie are about to get back on the screen, and we're about to see what exactly we look like up close and personal in the mirrors, okay? So
Don't be rude. Please.
Oh, we're still recording.
what's up? We have a mirror. I'm so nervous. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Beauty. Beauty.
Ooh.
Beauty.
As Chandler says, I look like the Mona Lisa.
I've
Oh,
never
shit.
been. My nose has never been so snatched.
Let me
Oh
see.
shit, I like Mona Lisa.
Okay, okay.
It looks pretty good.
I mean, if you're going for like a whole Mona Lisa look, this is totally your look.
I mean, like, do y'all see this?
Mona Lisa.
Do you
do you see
do you
this?
see
Do you see this?
the eye look is not terrible.
It's
At
not
all.
good. It's not terrible.
But, like, if I was in a hurry, like, I might have blended a little more. But, and he knew to put, like, the inner corner highlight. See, look. I know y'all see that. I can see it in, oh. Okay, so now we're going to do close-ups, and y'all are going to see what our makeup actually looks like.
Ooh.
It doesn't look terrible at all. And I feel like these colors really bring out my eye color. You can see, like...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, Chandler, you did really good with the highlight. I'm loving the highlight. I mean, I'm loving this whole look, man. I really feel like I could go into a museum and just like sit by the Mona Lisa. Wait.
Chandler tried his hardest. It doesn't look terrible. Like, alright guys, so we're done. We're finished. I think that the boys did a pretty good job, don't you?
Yeah, for it being the first time to like actually get in some makeup.
Right, like actual makeup and like do like a full face. Well, like eyes and lips and stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway, if this video gets to 30 thumbs up, then we will do our boyfriend and husband's makeup on camera. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Merry Chrysler. Happy Christmas.
I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Although it's been said many times, many ways.